All I know is pain, baby. You can't tell me nothing. My whole life in the struggle. See me grinding for that money. Power and respect. What I got, you can't take from me. But you gon' get this work, shorty. You gon' get this work.
Final video of the week. I should have said this in the... I think I said it in the first video, but for those that are new watching, this is a Yeah Mad week. So I reacted to the Silent Library for the first time. Now I got to get into one of the roast battles. So I know this isn't the most recent, but I have seen clips of the other roast battles. I might watch those later, like the whole video later, but I have not seen clips of this one, although it came out 2 months ago. So this is a roast battle between Matt and Abby. Sorry, not Sam. So we're gonna view this right now. So without any further delay, let's press play.
Matt looks like the catfish of Andrew.
Wait, no. Go back.
Matt looks like the catfish of Andrew.
Look, y'all, it's different Abby, the one that Matt mentioned. Yeah, different Abby. For those that don't know who different Abby is, or haven't been introduced to her before, I'm gonna throw the clip up so y'all can get the introduction of different Abby.
What's the difference between 3 crooks and a joke?
What?
Abby can't take a joke.
I'm on your team.
Oh, different Abby.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the roast. Oh yeah. Alright, so what we're gonna do, one person's gonna yell insults to the other person's gonna say some shit back, and then we're gonna decide who the winner is. How does that sound? Yeah. Sounds amazing, yeah? Alright, well, let's give it up for your first contestant. Yeah. She looks like Amy Winehouse with none of the talent and more of the problems. It's Abby, boom!
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Hey-o! And your next contestant, he trades kick flips for kid flicks. It's Matty P!
Oh my god, that was a roast in itself.
Yo! Alright. Good luck, kids. Flippity slappity slap. And if you're tuning in right now, no, this is not a step sibling porno. This is the roast.
Oh my god.
That's news to me.
I'm sorry, I have to say this. She looks stunning. Yes, Abby looks stunning. People probably be looking at me, you fucking simp. No, I'm just calling it like it is. She's stunning.
Alright.
I know Matt is definitely underprepared for this. I know that because whilst he was writing jokes a few days ago, he got super drunk and sent this voice message.
I need to roast Abby, and I want your opinions on some of the jokes I've made. Is it too far? Is it too soft? Let me know. Call me back. Little bitch, call me back now. ASAP Rocky, little muffin. Please.
That was 2 days ago at 2 a.m. to Samantha. So, yeah, get ready.
Thank you, Samantha.
Abby.
Different Abby, what the fuck, thank you, cheers, appreciate it. Look, Abby and I have been mates for a long time, so making a roast about her should be easy as she is. Thank you. She's like the girl next door, unless you know, like if you live next to a whorehouse. Actually, no. Abby's not a whore. She doesn't get paid.
Call me a slut all you want, still won't fuck you. Matt is the biggest disappointment to the Nazi party since Hitler killed himself.
Oh shit.
Das ist nicht gut für dich. Look, hey, the worst thing about roasting Abby is the comebacks. You never know if you're going to get your own or some other back.
Oh shit.
As I'm sure we all know, Matt is quite the entertainer, proven by this magic dyke looking outfit. He loves to get a laugh and will stop at nothing until he gets it, which is why he comes so fast in bed.
Shit.
Yeah. Look, that's actually me doing a lot of role play, like me and the missus. She plays like a the sexy maid, and I play a guy that comes too fast. So that's what that is. That's what I do.
Roasting himself.
Abby, maybe if you keep wearing low-cut tops, you'll find a partner who likes your personality.
Right. Shit.
How do you make 55 kilos of bad attitude, low self-esteem, and daddy issues bearable? Dem titties.
Oh my god, do you think I'm 55 kilos?
No, that's just what that says there.
Matt looks like the catfish of Andrew.
That's fucking good. That's actually fucking good.
Also, it really helps that he's wearing the backwards hat today.
It is, it fucking got me good.
Yeah, you said it earlier and I was like, yes, please.
If Abby ran the way her mouth does, she'd be fit.
Oh shit. But she's not fat though, but my god. Damn. She's still fit, but bro. Oh shit. Hey, at least she agrees, but I wouldn't say she's fat. I wouldn't say she's fat at all.
I don't even have a comeback for that. That's just true.
Damn.
Matt looks like he still checks his MySpace and still.
This is a really budget version of the Kendrick and Drake beef, where I say for the moment, because so far it seems like Matt is telling more truths than Sam than Abby is. So in that case, Matt would be Kendrick. And I know Abby is not a man, but in this case, she's probably telling more. She's strictly just trying to tell jokes, except the one where she said that Matt looks like a catfish of Andrew, but she's just trying to keep it like a competition, whereas Matt is just spitting out truths.
Only has 10 friends.
I've got nothing of that. That's good. The comment section has been asking when will Abby get an OnlyFans account, and I think you should. Then you will be able to afford the rest of your top.
Maybe buy you some other clothing for once.
It's okay, but that was just a thought experiment.
Thought experiment. That's good. Matt is 5'7" and emo. His favorite song is Panic. I'm not tall enough to ride this roller coaster.
Hey, whoa, hold on. Matt, move to the side. Which I thought I was gonna joke on her. What's wrong with guys that's 5'7"? I'm 5'7" and I'm offended. What's your height, ma'am? I'm offended. You know what, Abby? We had a good run, you and I. I'm stupid. You better watch it, Abby. Don't talk about men that are 5'7".
Fair enough. Teach a man to fish. And oh, sorry. Calm, Matty, calm. Too many babies. Teach a man to fish, and he will eat for a lifetime. Teach Abby to fish, and she'll accuse you of mansplaining, tell you that she already knows how to fucking do it, and then she'll suck the fisherman's to get the free fish.
My God.
Sorry, my bad. Boom roasted.
Like when Alan roasted the killer.
Thank you before as for braces. Matt always seems to get hit on by lesbians. Not because he wants to fuck lesbians, but because lesbians think he's just a dyke.
Checked out.
Fair. Abby is so loud that even deaf people say, shut the fuck up.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Bruh. God
Matt looks
damn.
like a priest who got removed from the church for not touching.
Bruh. You imagine a deaf person, yeah, like, and like, could be a deaf person in a room, and people are just talking loud, and then just out of nowhere, he's like, shut the fuck up. At that point, that person would have to be faking it in order for that deaf person to say, but that's crazy. You gotta be loud as hell to get a deaf person to say shut the hell up. That's some shit.
Enough kids.
Yeah. The best thing about dating Abby is that she's two-faced, and she'll let you come on both of them.
Oh, shit.
Still won't fuck you.
Oh my God.
Do you at least suck as well as you suck the fun out of everything?
He said she two-faced and she let you come on both. God damn. Hey, Matt, tell me how you really feel. Shit.
Yes, I do. Yeah, I've been taking night classes 3 times a week.
How many jokes you got left? Can we smash them through these really quickly?
I can keep going, and we can just cut the ones that didn't land.
14th, but like really it's been 16.
I can just keep going, and we can just...
Yeah, keep roasting me. I'm fine. I'm happy to sit here. I'll sit here with me comebacks and be like, ha ha! Shibbity babbity boo! She's a whore!
Shibbity babbity boo.
Fucking no.
Matt's a bit chunky. His favourite Fall Out Boy song is Sugar We're Going Down because of the sugar. I can't do this.
I love it. Thank you, cranky McBitch Pants.
Matt looks like the type of guy who tries to finger a girl at kick-ons in front of everyone.
You got embarrassed about that, didn't you?
Again.
Yo, Matt is witty. Comebacks like that. Pause. Yo, he coming back with him.
Is my go for a joke?
Go for it.
Abby, what's heavier, the weight of your tits in your bra or the disappointment on the guys' faces after you take your bra off?
I don't...
That's right.
I certainly don't wear bras.
I know, but fuck it.
Thank you, ghost of an alcoholic's past. Okay. Matt looks like the type of guy to try and pick up a girl on a bus, but then get kicked off the bus because his ticket wasn't valid.
Fair enough.
Whilst we're waiting for Matt to figure it out, Matt looks like he still shops at City Beach, but he's scared of the beach because the sand is too hot.
The most intelligent thing that's come out of your mouth, Abby, is someone's dick.
We all know it wasn't yours. Okay.
Yeah.
Matt lived with his,
When I get bullied, I get hard.
My God.
Thank you, sir.
You sound like the teapot from fucking Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, bitch, I'm short and stout, and I'm ready to put out. Keep going.
Matt lived with his parents on and off until he was over 30. Eventually, they did have to kick him out after he came home so drunk one night and crawled into bed with them asking for a threesome. It didn't happen, but you all believed it. And that says something about Matt. Did it happen?
It did happen.
No, that's fucked up. I'm no gynecologist, but Abby, you're just a.
Matt hates the taste of coriander so much that he throws up. Sorry, did I say coriander? I meant pussy.
Abby's like a bowling ball. You've got to at least put 3 fingers in it to pick her up, throw her down the fucking alley, and she'll still come fucking back. That's that one. That's that one.
That was a one to
Make sure you get that one in, son.
That's funny.
Get that in there.
I like it.
Matt looks like the type of guy who asks, "Does this feel good?" whilst rubbing the inner thigh.
She's a fucking treasure. I just want to bury her.
Matt used to date a black German girl.
Go ahead.
Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy. Nine! I can't.
Das ist ja nicht gut! Du darfst talk about meine Fräulein! Das ist ja nicht gut!
Bro,
Matt puts
don't
their
do
claim in.
Hitler. Advice?
That wasn't Hitler!
You're on the
That was just
the mantle as well.
Jesus Christ.
Das ist ja nicht gut!
There's no arms going on a bit. Anyway, sorry, you go.
Matt puts the clan in Wu-Tang Clan. Jesus Christ.
That's it.
You're like the grey sprinkle on a fucking rainbow cupcake. That's dumb, but I fucking like it.
You look like off-brand Shannon Knoll.
That's fucking good. You look like meth addiction Hillary Duff.
Oh my god, thank you.
She's hot.
Yeah,
Matthew
that's
McGuire.
not an insult.
Matthew McGuire.
Oh my god, you look like my Durst fugly cousin.
It's so niche. So good. Yeah, I love it. Matthew McConaughey.
Alright.
Matt looks like both an elderly man and a teenager starting puberty.
I love it. I don't know about you guys, but I've learned a lot about today.
Oh, sorry, I do have one more. Matt once tried
I'm
to.
sorry, did the middle of my fucking sentence interrupt the beginning of yours? Fuck you! So I'm gonna have a quick drink.
When people fall in love, they see fireworks. Matt hears, "Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you." It was fucking shit joke. Alright! So much.
Hell yeah. How do you guys feel? Alright. Well, any questions for these strapping young porn stars? Yeah.
What does shippity bubbity do mean? What is it?
Look, it's usually like a filler to sort of fill the space and time until I work out what the fuck I'm trying to do up here.
Okay.
There's no cock back there. Oh, no, that was,
No,
I read that
I
off.
didn't do that.
That was not my joke. I read that off his. Any more questions?
I mean, I don't really have a question. It's more of a comment. It's that I don't feel safe with the kids going to either of these parents.
All right.
That's fair.
Now, who thought
No.
Abby won?
Yeah!
And who thought slut shaming won?
Yeah!
Oh, what's close?
Prejudice.
One more time for Abby.
Yeah!
One more time for slut shaming.
Yeah!
goes to slut shaming.
His name's Matt.
Oh, Matt. Tell us in the comments. Abby got me for sure.
No, I didn't. Don't
Tell me.
tell me.
Okay,
No, another call out, please. No more call outs, Matt. That
It was
didn't
Abby.
work for me last time.
I'll get out. I'll go on camera. Nice.
Why were you not trying to...
Yeah, that was really good.
All right. That was the second and final video for the week. I will see you guys next time with
Andrew looks like that time.
I will see you guys next time with 2 brand new videos. Until then, enjoy your weekend, enjoy your day. Before I go, I need to say a few things. Continue spreading peace, love, and positivity, because life is too short for any and all negativity. And always remember, slow progress is better than no progress. Again, I will see you guys next time with 2 brand new ones. For the Yeah Mad cast, I am Dante Brown. Happy Memorial Day to everyone. I won't see y'all on Monday, because this is going to be posted either today, later on today, or tomorrow. But we'll see. But yeah, happy Memorial Day. I am Dante Brown, and I am out.
That's why you gotta watch who you hang around. Don't get caught in situations fucking up your paper route. Worry about others is only fucking up your bank account. Keep your ideas, cause they don't care for what you thinking about.